will present an interview to talk about 4 different jobs. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Elena Canizares, and I am an entertainer. Entertainment is an action, event, or activity that aims to amuse and interest the audience. It is the audience that turns a private recreation into entertainment. The audience may have a passive role, as in the case of people watching a play, opera, television show, or film, or the audience role may be active, as in the case of games. Now I'll interview 4 people with different jobs. First, Melody. Melanie, in what you get inspired to be an artist?
I have seen a lot of paintings and drawings, and I like that. When I was in first grade, I won the second place for best drawing in the school Moderna Sergio Pérez Valdez.
How did you become an art teacher, an artist?
When I was little, I always practiced. And before I began my art career, I studied.
What can you tell us about your job?
It is fun to work as an artist because you can express your feelings.
Do you think your job is difficult or easy?
At the beginning, I thought it was difficult, but now it is easy for me because I practice every day.
What is your favorite part of art?
I can make drawings of things from my imagination.
Next one, Gary. Gary, why you wanted to be a soccer player?
Because I love watching soccer and it's very fun to play in the championship.
How did you become a soccer player?
When the coach saw me playing in the street, he called me and he said, "Hey, do you want to be a famous player?"
It was difficult to get to the championship.
Not really, because I practice all day.
What is the most difficult part in your job?
The training.
What is your favorite part?
The championship. Thank you.
Next one, Vicente. Vicente, what brought you to be a baseball player?
My brother was a baseball player, so I played all my life.
Why did you want to be a baseball player?
I didn't want, but with the time I started liking.
How does it feel to be in the New York Yankees team?
Incredible, because it's one of the most famous teams in the earth.
What is the best of being a baseball player?
Winning cups and play with other teams.
What is the worst of being a baseball player?
Sometimes you have to train and you get bored, but in the game it's exciting.
Next one, Ubin. Ubin, why do you like being a soldier?
Because I'm serving my nation, Korea, and my family.
Who inspired you to be a soldier?
My father, that is also a soldier.
It's difficult to serve Korea and be far of your family.
Yes, but I have 3 months free to visit them.
What is the most difficult part in your job?
That I'm part of my family.
What is your favorite part in your job?
That is fun to be in the group and that I'm serving Korea.
My idea. I want to be innovative, think differently, let my creativity soar and surprise my idea. I want a space to think without boundaries. I want to be an artist.
Thanks for watching.